guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Big Glow Skincare Naturals and Organic, and I am Isabel. So in this channel we do a whole lot of skincare formulation. So if you are a skincare formulator, or probably you want to dive into skincare, or maybe you just want to know more about skincare, then this is a channel for you. So guys, today we will be making a papaya face soap. This soap is it's going to be made out of papaya extract, and a lot of soothing ingredients will be added into this soap. Okay, so you see how beautiful the soap is. I actually love this soap, and it's going to help prevent acne, going to help prevent blemishes, dark spots, dark cycle. This is just a perfect face soap. So guys, let's dive into my workstation so that we can make this gorgeous, beautiful papaya soap. So guys, this is my base soap. This is goat's milk base soap. I cut them into pieces because we have to melt them. So I had to cut them nicely into cubes. You can use whatever base soap you want, but because I'm preparing a face soap, so that's why I went for goat milk, because goat milk is really nice for the face. So we're going to be heating it using a double boiler method. So at this point you can add maybe beads, wax, or any other thing that you really like as a recipe. You can add. This is it. I know you're wondering why the color is a little bit milky, creamy, or yellowish or something. It's because I added my secret recipe. Yeah guys, I added my secret recipe, so I don't give it out. You know, I make homemade products. I sell soap and cream. Yeah, so you blend it with your emulsion blender very well. After that, I'm gonna be adding my mulberry powder. This is half a teaspoon. Then I'll be dissolving it with water and heating it with double boiler method. Then I'll mix it with my base soap. And taran, our soap is beautifully made. I hope you love it. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And don't forget, I sell homemade products. You can always DM me or contact me if you want any of my soap. Thank you for watching.
Isabel.